Have your legs been feeling heavy lately? Swollen at the ankles? Stiff at the knees? Joints that ache just from standing a little too long? You're not alone, and it's not just old age. It's your body asking for help. The good news? Nature already gave us the answer in the form of sweet, juicy fruits that help your body rebuild collagen, soothe inflammation, and ease that awful swelling in your legs and joints. Today, I'll show you 8 powerful fruits you need to eat more often, not just for relief, but for strength and mobility too. If you're over 60 and want to feel stronger, move easier, and keep doing the things you love, go ahead and subscribe. I make these videos for you. Click like if this resonates, and share in the comments. Where does swelling hit you the most? Knees, ankles, or everywhere? Guava is one of the most powerful fruits for anyone looking to support collagen production naturally, especially in later years. It's extremely high in vitamin C. In fact, one guava can provide more than double the daily recommended amount. This matters because vitamin C is essential for the body to create collagen, the structural protein that keeps joints flexible, skin firm, and connective tissues strong. Without enough of it, collagen breaks down faster than it's replaced, leading to joint stiffness, sagging skin, and slower healing in the legs and lower body. In addition to vitamin C, guava contains a potent antioxidant called lycopene. Lycopene has been studied for its ability to neutralize oxidative stress, which is a key factor in chronic inflammation. For seniors dealing with swelling in the legs or ankles often caused by poor circulation or tissue inflammation, reducing oxidative stress is critical. Some researchers have found that diets rich in lycopene can help reduce markers of inflammation over time, making guava especially valuable for anyone managing age-related joint discomfort. Doctors often remind patients that collagen isn't just for appearance. In older adults, it plays a key role in maintaining mobility. Stronger collagen means stronger ligaments, more cushioned joints, and better shock absorption in the knees and hips. Since the body becomes less efficient at producing collagen with age, nutrient-dense fruits like guava become more important than ever. Guava is also relatively low in sugar and high in fiber, which makes it a good option for people watching their blood sugar or digestion. Whether eaten fresh, blended in smoothies, or added to salads, guava is a smart, healing choice for anyone over 60 who wants to reduce swelling, support their joints, and feel stronger from the ground up. Kiwi is a powerful fruit for supporting collagen health, especially in aging joints and skin. It contains both vitamin C and vitamin E2 antioxidants that play a direct role in collagen production and protection. Vitamin C helps the body synthesize new collagen, which is essential for maintaining strong cartilage, ligaments, and connective tissue. At the same time, vitamin E protects existing collagen from breaking down due to oxidative stress, which becomes more common with age and contributes to joint stiffness and swelling. Doctors often highlight the importance of potassium in managing leg and foot swelling in older adults, and kiwi is an excellent natural source. Potassium helps balance fluid levels in the body by reducing excess sodium, which can lead to water retention. For seniors who experience heavy, puffy legs or ankles by the end of the day, adding potassium-rich foods like kiwi may help ease that bloated, tight feeling. Research has shown that adequate potassium intake can support healthy blood pressure and circulation, which also plays a role in reducing swelling in the lower limbs. Kiwis are also known for being gentle on digestion, making them an easy addition to daily meals without upsetting the stomach. Their fiber content supports gut health, and their enzymes, like actinidin, may assist with protein digestion, which can be helpful for those with slower metabolism or digestive sensitivity. Unlike many fruits, kiwi delivers these benefits without excessive sugar or calories, making it a smart choice for people monitoring their blood sugar or weight. Whether eaten alone or added to a salad or smoothie, kiwi offers meaningful support for collagen, circulation, and inflammation, 3 key areas that affect how legs and joints feel in later life. Regular intake may help protect joint mobility and reduce the discomfort of swelling over time. Papaya is a valuable fruit for anyone managing joint stiffness, leg swelling, or slow healing in later years. It contains a high concentration of vitamin C, a nutrient the body uses to produce collagen, the protein responsible for keeping joints cushioned, skin firm, and connective tissues strong. Without enough collagen, joints may become more vulnerable to wear, and skin around the legs and knees can lose elasticity. Seniors in particular benefit from foods that support natural collagen repair, and papaya delivers that support in a gentle, nourishing way. In addition to its vitamin C content, papaya contains a unique enzyme called papain. Research has shown that papain can help the body break down certain proteins that trigger inflammation. Some studies have even linked papain with improved digestion and reduced markers of inflammatory stress, which often worsens joint pain in conditions like arthritis. This makes papaya especially helpful for older adults dealing with tight, aching knees, sore ankles, or swelling that comes and goes in the lower body. Papaya's anti-inflammatory properties can offer relief from the kind of deep, aching discomfort that interferes with daily movement. Some doctors recommend papaya as a natural option for managing chronic inflammation without harsh side effects, particularly in individuals who are sensitive to medications or prefer dietary support. Its natural enzymes work with the body rather than against it, gently encouraging healing and reducing tension in stiff or swollen areas. Because papaya is also soft and easy to digest, it's well tolerated even in people with digestive concerns. It can be eaten raw or blended into a smooth texture, making it an accessible choice for older adults. With regular use, papaya may help support collagen repair, soothe inflamed joints, and reduce the uncomfortable puffiness that can settle in the legs with age. Strawberries are one of the most effective fruits for supporting joint health and reducing swelling, especially in older adults. They are naturally rich in vitamin C, a nutrient the body uses to produce and repair collagen, the flexible protein that holds cartilage, ligaments, and tendons together. Collagen is what cushions joints and helps absorb the pressure that builds in the knees, ankles, and hips over time. When collagen breaks down faster than it's replaced, joints become stiff, sore, and more prone to injury. By supplying the body with the raw material it needs, strawberries help support this repair process from the inside out. What makes strawberries even more powerful is their high concentration of antioxidants, including anthocyanins and ellagic acid. These natural compounds have been studied for their ability to reduce inflammation at the cellular level. According to research, diets rich in these antioxidants are linked to lower levels of C-reactive protein, a marker of chronic inflammation. For seniors dealing with leg or ankle swelling or joint pain that flares up after walking or standing, the anti-inflammatory effects of strawberries may bring noticeable relief over time. Strawberries are also low on the glycemic index, meaning they don't cause sharp spikes in blood sugar. That makes them a smart choice for older adults managing diabetes or metabolic concerns. Some doctors recommend strawberries as a sweet, satisfying way to get more nutrients without compromising blood sugar control. Because they're soft, hydrating, and easy to digest, strawberries are well tolerated by most people and can be enjoyed regularly. Whether eaten fresh or blended into smoothies, they support collagen regeneration, reduce joint inflammation, and help ease the swelling that makes legs and feet feel heavy and tight, all while tasting like a treat instead of a chore.